Alright guys, so it's been about 12 days since we last candled the bearded dragon eggs. And we thought we'd take a look at them again, except the ones from May 2nd have already done the deflating of the egg, where that's when the baby's getting ready to break out, where the egg kind of shrinks and kind of sucks in on itself. So we can't candle those because the babies are getting ready to hatch out. But we can candle the ones that were from May 12th that are only about 10 days behind those. So yeah, let's go check them out, see what we can see. All right, so we are here in the dark and we've got F1's eggs from the 12th of May. And we're gonna take a look inside the eggs with our handy dandy flashlight. And it's gonna be really cool. I already candled a few of them before this, and you could see the babies inside and they're moving around and everything, so it's really awesome. So these are only about a week out from hatching or so. Maybe, actually not a week. Let's see, what is today? Maybe about 2 weeks out from hatching, but you're gonna get to see a lot of cool movement. There you go. Oh, he moved. Trying to figure out where the baby is. I think he's on this side. See his little shadow there. He's moving. You can see all those blood vessels. Oh wow, you can really see this one. See? There he is. Oh, he's moving. I can feel him moving around. You can feel the egg pulsating in my hand. You can see his tail right there. Oh, there he is. He's moving. I guess he doesn't like the light very much. So if his tail's over here, I'm guessing that the rest of his body is on the other side. Oh, wait, here we go. Oh, he's kind of swimming around. He's trying to avoid the light. Oh my god, this feels so weird. I can feel him moving around in my fingers. He's kind of just floating. But you can see his tail. I don't know if that's his foot, one of his feet right there. Oh man. Can't describe how weird this feels. It's a little harder to see. He might be on the other side of the egg. Oh, nope, here he is. Look at that. I don't know if you can make out certain parts, but you can definitely see where the baby is. Oh, there's the baby. There he is. There's his tail. You can always see that tail sticking out. So pretty. There's the rest of his body on that side. Oh, there you go. There's a big clear one. You can see the tail. See the head. It's kind of curled around the top, and his little tail sticking out there at the bottom. His little head's on the right side. I don't think he's moving a lot. Alright, I got our second cup of eggs here that we can take a look at. Alright, so let's turn the light off. Alright. Ooh, it's spooky. Alright, let's take a look at some eggies. See if we can see anything. Oh, the baby's on this side. Oh, I think I can see its feet, its little claws. Yep, that's its little hand, I think, right there. You see those three little I'll point him out on the video. There's his feet. That's so cool. You see all those blood vessels. Oh, he moved. He didn't like that. Okay. Or maybe that's just his striping. I'm not sure. Oh, look at this whopper of an egg. And there's a whopper of a baby in it. Look at all those blood vessels, man. These are big eggs. You can see the babies at the bottom there. Here's a smaller egg. Oh, there's a baby in there. You can see him clearly. He's curled up along the back there. That's the shadow of him. He's pressed up against the egg. Cool. He's moving around too. Oh wow, you can see this one's tail. Look at that. He's moving around. I think his back's up here. Kind of sitting upside down on the egg. I think his head's up here on the right too.